Today we are going to unbox 3 Rubik's Cube that are specially designed. One of them is a Qiyi Pyramid Cube and there are some other speed cubes. So in this box we have this Pyraminx Qiming A. So there are two different kind of boxing. One comes with a black base and other one is the white base. So the size looks quite small. So in this box you get this Pyraminx, and just to see, there are some basic instructions. Probably to how to solve this cube. They have also given the formulas. How to solve all the algorithms are already given in this cube, which is very good information for the one who wants to learn from these instructions. Or otherwise I'm also gonna make another video how to solve this cube. So just to check the quality of the cube, it looks fine quality. There is a magnet lock at each point, so automatically it locks over here, which is a kind of a very good quality for a cube. Similarly, there is a lock and it looks kind of a very strong build. These pieces, they, according to the description given on Amazon, they told like this, these pieces, they don't really come out very often and it seems to be very strong. So if you see, you can mix it out. These pieces generally they don't go anywhere. All these corner pieces, they stay over here, they can just rotate, but we can really mess it up like this. So the basic structure of messing this cube is that we can mess out these center pieces, and we will try to mess it up as much as possible. But these pieces really, they don't go anywhere. So overall, if you see, these are stickers, and I'm afraid while we are gonna use it and while I'm gonna play with it, these stickers might come off. But overall, the quality of the cube, the edges are all very blunt and not very sharp, and I don't see any sharp corners anywhere. And even the speed of the cube, it's good. The weight of the cube, it's not very heavy. The weight is not exactly listed over here. And it is made in China. So Qiyi Cube is basically, they are known for their quality. So that is why I ordered this, and overall I am impressed by the quality that they offer. Only thing is, when you try to do it with the speed, so these pieces little bit they come off like this, as you can see. But however, they are not getting out of the cube. So overall the quality looks fine. That's it for today, and I'm gonna unbox the rest of the cubes for you in my next video.